For this video, we have the integral of 8 plus cosine of e to the negative 2x power over e to the 2x. Probably better for this integral to break it up into 2. So let's go 8 over e to the 2x, and then we'll take it to the numerator, change the sign of the exponent. We get 8 multiplied by e to the negative 2x dx. So that one's going to be easy to integrate. And the next one, we'll have cosine of e to the negative 2x. And then we'll take this one up to the top also, instead of putting it over it. We can put it over this e to the 2x, but we'll take it to the top. That'll be e to the negative 2x. Then this is dx. Now for the first one here, the integral of e to any power, as long as it's a linear power here, is the integral itself. So this will be e to the negative 2x. And then the chain rule in reverse, the derivative of negative 2x is negative 2. Divide that into 8. That'll give us a negative 4. And of course you can check it easily by just taking the derivative of this. It's e to the negative 2x, and then times e. The regular chain rule, derivative of negative 2x is negative 2 times 8 minus 8 is plus 8. So that checks out. And then it's a plus here. And then I'm going to let u, this will be a u substitution for the second integral here, u equal to e to the negative 2x. Then du would equal to e, this will be e to the negative 2x times the derivative of the exponent, that's negative 2, so let's put a negative 2 out in front here. And then this is dx. Then we can rewrite this second integral as the cosine e to the negative 2x, that's the u. And I'm going to replace the e to the negative 2x dx. Now this part right here, I can replace it over here. E to the negative 2x dx, divide through by the negative 2. That'll come over here. So this e to the negative 2x dx can be replaced by du over negative 2. And we can put that constant out in front, that's negative 1/2. Now we can finish this off. This is still the same, negative 4 e to the negative 2x. I got the minus here, plus minus, let's put the minus here. The 1/2 out in front. And then the integral of cosine is sine. That's sine of u. But we always go back to the original variable, so I'll just go ahead and put it in there, e to the negative 2x. And then we have plus the constant of integration. So the final answer here for this problem, negative 4 e to the negative 2x minus 1/2 sine, and now you put this in parentheses so it's clear here, sine of e to the negative 2x plus the constant of integration. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.